One of the downsides to the Nvidia Shield is the lagging when using the home screen. As we know, these launchers get bloated with a lot of apps, especially from Google, Android, and Amazon are the bugger for doing it as well. But I'm going to give you a super useful tip, and we're going to go over some settings here to change to speed up your Nvidia Shield. Nice, quick, easy video, and it's going to make it a little bit more snappy. So stick around to the end, because I'm going to give you a bonus tip on the best settings for the Nvidia Shield. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We are on the way to 200,000 subscribers. Hopefully you can come and help me get there. Anyway, let's jump on over to the Shield. Right, there's one thing that will speed up this Shield and make it a lot more snappier. But first we need to get into the secret developer options menu. Now if you've already done that, stick around, it'll take 2 seconds. But if you haven't got developer options enabled, first of all we're going to go to the settings on the Nvidia Shield at the top here. We're going to scroll down to device preferences, then we're going to click on about. On this part we're going to scroll down here until you get to the build option at the bottom, and then simply tap OK on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it will say you are now a developer. For me, there's no need because I'm already one. Anyway, once we've enabled the developer options, we're going to go back here. We're going to scroll down at the bottom to developer options. And as you can see, there's a lot more customization on these developer options than there is on the Amazon Firestick. There's a lot of things being shut down on the Firestick, and I've covered that in a video. I'm going to link it in the card, but watch that after this video. Super interesting. Anyway, on here, we're going to scroll down until we find the drawing section. Now there's a few options under here, right? And what we're going to do is the window animation scale. So you can turn it off completely or you can reduce the speed. So we're going to, at the minute it's on a ×1 speed. We're going to knock that down to 0.5. The same for the transition animation scale. We're going to turn that down to 0.5, and the animator duration scale as well. We're going to cut that in half and change that to 0.5. Now what you'll find is when you're using the Nvidia Shield, it's going to be a lot more snappier, and the animations are going to be cut down, so it's going to feel a lot more responsive. Look how quick the settings opened them. A lot less lag. It speeds it up slightly, and it'll just make your viewing experience a bit more fluid on the Nvidia Shield. That's one of the first things I do when I get a new Android device, is turn down that animation scale, because you'll be surprised how much it does actually slow down the Nvidia Shield. And if you want it even faster, just cut it off completely. Change it from 0.5 to off, and then there will be no animations at all, and then it will be super snappy. But that's down to your preference. Right, now on here as well, what we're going to do is go down to device preferences. Then we're going to go down to system, and then we're going to select the processor mode. Now mine's on max performance. You do also have optimize, which will optimize your device. But if you want the best performance out of your Nvidia Shield, make sure you've got it on max performance. Then there's other useful things you can do, like clearing the cache on different apps as well. But don't do that too often, because it can also slow down your device as well. Every time you clear your cache, the thumbnails and everything related inside of the app will be wiped, which means that every time you load the Nvidia Shield or an app up, it will have to re-download everything, which could ultimately slow it back down. So my recommendation is to do this maybe every week or two, or every other week, especially if you're not using too many apps. Sometimes having your cache full can make your device a little bit faster, because it doesn't have to re-download everything. Even though a lot of people will tell you to always clear your cache, a lot of it is nonsense. If you want a faster device, don't do that regular. Just do it every now and again, and do it on the apps that clog up the majority of your space. And with them settings changed, your Nvidia Shield should be a lot faster. Now if you do want to optimize your Nvidia Shield even further and stop the likes of your ISP or any app or service you're using tracking you or collecting your data, check out my video on the best VPN for the Nvidia Shield. I show you a cracking deal, how to set it up, and how easy it is to do as well. So I'll link that up in a card and put it in the outro of this video. Go and watch that next. And if this has helped you in any way, let me know in the comment section. If you've got an Nvidia Shield or an Amazon Firestick, hit subscribe. We're trying to get to 200,000. And that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.